am doing absolutely nothing. Just trying to put the camera to somewhere. So yeah. So apparently I made a video earlier, but I didn't want to post it because again, it was cringy. So yeah. But anyway, guys, I am new to this YouTube channel, and I can't really talk today right now, but I had a YouTube channel, but not again, but apparently it's really cringy. So yeah, I'm cringy. I'm very cringy, sadly. Silence. I just love silence. But yeah, I am very cringy, so yeah. I mean, I don't know why I'm doing this, because again, I'm not really comfortable in front of a camera, because I'm just talking to myself, looking at myself, talking to myself. That's exactly lonely. I don't know how YouTubers do it, but I can't do it, obviously. But anyway, guys, I'm just letting you know that I am new to this YouTube channel, so please feel free to subscribe to the cringy channel, because it's very cringy. And why do I keep on doing this? Like, count how many times I could do this. But yeah. So just feel free to subscribe, leave a like, comment, whatever, that this video is cringy. I don't care. Just, yeah. And I have a freaking double chin. That's disgusting. I don't like that. But yeah, probably later on in my next video, I'll probably do something really different and really fun. So, yeah. And I'll try and post every day if I have time, or if I'm not busy, and if I have time. So yeah, it's obviously really hot in here. That's why my face is like turning red, and it's really hot. Like, cause I'm in Tracy, and Tracy is like really hot. Like, how hotter can it get? But I used to live in Hayward. I still live in Hayward because of my dad. Because like my mom and my dad don't live together, so yeah. But Hayward is near the Bay Area, and it's pretty cool over there, which is, I really love it. It has like nice weather. Tracy sometimes do, I guess. But being inside of a house or being inside just feels more cooler sometimes. So yeah, but I guess this video is gonna be about me talking about myself to you guys, and like having you guys know about me, and that I'm new to this channel. So feel free to subscribe to the cringy channel. I already said that, but just feel free to subscribe. It'll really help me out. Yeah, because I'm very, very lonely, I guess. I don't know. But, yeah. So this video, I think it's going to be pretty long. I don't really know. But I don't really like watching myself on a YouTube video because, again, I'm boring, I cringy, and I have no idea what to do in YouTube videos. And I'm always making bloopers because I have no idea what I'm saying. I know. Like, when I'm talking, I feel like I have a normal voice. But then I have an annoying voice, so feel free to subscribe. I don't know why I keep on saying that. But, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much about me. I mean, I like pizza, other stuff like that. I mean, yeah, if you guys want me to do a Q&A, please comment down below if you guys want me to do that. And I also like to play games. I love playing video games, so if you guys like want me to join a game with you guys so I can play with you guys, feel free to just comment down below what you guys want me to do. And yeah, sorry, fixing camera here. Oh gosh. Okay, so let's see. We're here in the darker lighting. Oh great. Oh yeah, so it was nothing. I just dropped my camera. I think that's the end of the video, so I'll see you guys later, and just wait to the end, because at the end there are some bloopers. So yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. So yeah. See, that's the noise that it's just the camera just holding. So yeah. Sorry for that interruption. Don't like in the background. Plants, a door. I'm cringy. So yeah, I think that's the end of the video. So yeah, what's up?
The X and O's on another note.